In this video, I am going to guide you on how to share your ride details with others via the Moovn app. This feature helps you keep your friends and family informed about your trip in real time. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Book a ride by selecting your pickup and drop-off locations. 3. Once your ride is confirmed, go to the trip details screen. 4. Look for the option that says share ride or share trip details. 5. Tap on that option to bring up sharing choices like WhatsApp, SMS or email. 6. Select your preferred method to share the ride link or information. 7. Choose the contact or number you want to send the ride details to. 8. Send the link, which will allow them to track your trip in real time. This helps ensure your safety and keeps others informed about your journey. Make your travel experience safer and more connected with Moovn.